Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, today we are going to get into this recipe for these delicious red beans with smoked turkey and white rice. It's delicious, it's flavorful, it's easy. I'm telling you, you'll love it. If you want to see how we make it, just stick around. Okay, so here are the ingredients you are going to need. We have 3 cups of long grain parboiled rice, rinsed. Please rinse, make sure you rinse your rice. 2 cans of red kidney beans. You can use dried beans if you want and soak them. This is the quick version, so we're going to use the canned beans. Black pepper, of course, frozen sofrito, the Sazon packets for color, sea salt, and garlic powder. In addition to that, you are going to need your smoked turkey meat. So here I have a few smoked turkey tails that I had boiled off before I went in to make the actual beans and the rice. So you want to start this ahead of time. These take about 2 to 3 hours depending on what smoked meat you choose to use. I love smoked turkey tails. They have the best flavor for me. That's just my preference. You can use smoked turkey wing, you can use smoked turkey drum, you could even use smoked turkey sausage, whatever you want. Boil it down. I usually do that with a half of onion, just regular yellow onion or white onion. Dice it up, add some seasonings in there, and then, let them boil till they're fork tender. Okay, to start, we have our pan here. We're going to get that heated up. I have about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You could always use canola oil or whichever kind of oil you like. Going to take a few tablespoons of the frozen sofrito and fry that off. Allow your sofrito to fry in the oil and break down. What happens because the sofrito is frozen, so when you cook it, fry it in the oil, it opens up all those aromatics, all of that flavor, that cilantro, that tomato, that onion, those peppers, all of that goodness and that flavoring that you want for the base of your beans is going to come from you allowing that sofrito to cook down in the oil. It's gonna smell your whole house as well, but it's a beautiful smell. You're gonna add in your seasoning. So you see me adding sea salt here. We're gonna add in our garlic powder, our Sazon packets, our black pepper. Get that all mixed in with the sofrito and allow it to just cook for a bit. Okay, so I didn't say that in the beginning, but okay, I'm gonna add a bay leaf here, and I'm also gonna add in some minced onion. The bay leaf gives it a depth of flavor, and the minced onion, you kind of get to see the onions in there, and it also gives you some flavor. I apologize about the camera angle, but here is what it looks like when it's cooking down. So give it a few minutes, let it go about 5 to 7 minutes. Let it open up. You should really smell it. You shouldn't have any clumps left. It should be completely broken down and look as if you're cooking in flavored oil. Okay, so you're gonna let that go for a while, and then here is where you add your meat. So I'm actually gonna just go right into that pot, take that meat out, strain it, and I'm allowing onions as well. So you're gonna add as much of that meat as you would like to into this flavor base. Mix it all in, let it get coated, allow it to break down a bit, and just get some love in there. So you're going to let those flavors marry together. Then you are going to go ahead and add in your 2 cans of beans. Do not strain your beans. No need to strain your beans. You can if you like. Add those in there. Get it all mixed together. You're going to also add about a cup of water. You're going to add enough water to cover your beans and your, everything in your pot. You're going to put enough water to cover it. Allow it to cook down. You want it to be a thick stew when it's done. So probably about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cook. I'd even go as far as like 25. All right, so our rice is done. This is what your rice should look like if you use the 2-to-1 ratio. So you're gonna have 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. Let it cook on medium low, closer to the lower side, for about 20 minutes, and you should have the perfect rice every single time. All right, here are our beans, nice and cooked down. Look how delicious that looks. Look how much flavor. You can actually see the flavor. Trust me, this recipe is delicious. We are gonna take these beans, we're gonna take that fluffy white rice, we're gonna plate that up, pair it with a nice salad and some fried wings, and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching. If you tried this recipe, please come back and let me know how you like it. Oh my gosh, look, it's so delicious. This is absolutely divine. Please let me know if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.